Yeah, 24-hour shit, spit clean. This is how I polish it. Even when you hating, you acknowledging. I'd be mad too if I was hating who I'm following. All I see is the finish line. You busy writing your dreams down, I'm living mine. Chilling in Tempe with Sleeve, he got the bottle service and they got the baddest women. We don't need a waitress, we need more like a statistician. Back in the lab now, couple months and back of the van down. Fan snap pics while we pulling the van round. I can't lie, I'm not used to that shit. Every night front row, camera phones flashing. Bring it on, give me more of it. Got my team with me, if we split up, we die like a horror flick. Never that. 6, you want the instrumental back? Shit, I put it 6 feet deep, shouldn't have rented that. Shout to Logic and the Visionaries, keeping lyrics and rap, shout to the dictionaries. Man, I love it, you could say I'm addicted now. You could say the rhymes evicted, way I kick them out. All in a day's work, the boy been clocked in since Sheed was a blazer. The ball don't lie, so I stay shooting. I don't even gotta say I'm better than competition, cause they prove it. Ain't nobody touching me, everybody blame it on their city. Man, that shit's such a crutch to me. I can tell you bit about it all, probably sign your ass in and talk to Twitter about it all. I'd rather get a record sale than a retweet. Last year was last year, we focused on the repeat. People hit me up for the cheat sheet. I tell them blood, sweat, tears, Motis, beats. Except for this one is butter. If butter is paper and paper is green, then my pen is the putter. And I'm a couple under, young up and comer. Used to be the fall guy, now I drop in summer. Check that, I drop whenever I wanna. I drops for the marijuana, am I right, Q?
Truly, I do be with the weed. It was given to me by my DRE because the pills wasn't appealing to me. Beats killing, so why they making the villain a tree? How you want me to breathe? She a hero to me. Mary Jane, my heroine, how dope is she? Yo, Packy, for real. Fuck a deal, don't even need it. Independent like women be screaming. Ill as a body with lesions from the 3 letters. I don't rock 2 chains, but no one can do better. You and the crew better. They know we knew better. Couple of veterans.